How to find archived emails in Gmail. In this video, I will guide you on how you can find archived emails in Gmail. For that, launch open the Gmail app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now, I'm going to put a star on this email, then archive it. As you can see, it has been removed from your inbox. If you want to find this archived email, tap on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Scroll down and tap on the All Mail option. As you can see, the archived email is over here on the all mail. You can simply tap on this. Now, if you only want to find all of your archived emails, then tap on the search bar, then type is colon archived. Now, all of your archived mails will be shown over here. If you want to unarchive it, then you simply want to tap it open. Now tap on the three dots at the top of your screen, then tap on Move to Inbox option. Now it will be successfully unarchived. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.